Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you a new YouTuber. This is a student of mine. I had her last semester in web design. So she actually made my favorite student YouTubers the top 10 list. Her name is Lexuan. So if you take a look, I have Kai2Fly, Dragon, Swavy, big shout out to you guys, Nate, Stampede, My Life with Kobe, TSX. I put Lexuan right here. You're going to click on her channel. Let's watch her intro video. She's at 8 subscribers. Let's help her get to 10. Support, subscribe, and let's see what she has to say here.
Hi everyone, my name is Lexuan and I am 14 years old this year. This is my very first ever video. I am Chinese and I hope to become a content creator in the future, and I hope I will inspire everyone with my upcoming videos. So if you're going to support me, thank you very much.
Excellent. I support her. She is truly such a sweet student. One time in class, she made me this little cute origami swan. I'll show you the YouTube short right here.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas.
And she's genuinely a very nice person. You're going to fall in love with her personality. I can't wait to see her content, and I look forward to watching this channel grow. I don't keep notifications on for everyone, but definitely for Lexuan. Thank you so much. Support, subscribe. Let's go. It's at NOT_LEXUAN at not_Lexuan. All the best. Till next time. Bye.